Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying the spider wax. Stay tuned for more tips. Nishman Spider Wax, it will help tame and shape your hair. It will give you moderated shine and flexible look. Strong like a gorilla, flexible as a spider.
I'm bad can be so bad that it's hard to believe. What they say about me. I'm bad, take a look and see. So bad that it's hard to believe. I don't care what they say about me. I watched an empire fall. I stormed the gate and scaled the walls. They wouldn't share, so I took it all. I watched an empire fall.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products. Stay tuned for more tips and see you next video. Bye bye.